Hey, what's going on, guys? Well, Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today. And in this video, it's hammer time. We're taking Hell's Hammer and we're gonna try it out on a ridiculous attack combo and just see how it does. And we're not gonna try and test it against any meta stuff in this video. If it's good, yeah, we'll test it out. If it does really, really well, we will absolutely give it a whirl. But for now, let's just sit back and have some fun. So in today's video, I am trying out Hell's Hammer 960 Quake. Let's see what happens. Ghost Circle. Get on the launcher. That's 2-0. A little more control over Hell's Hammer. I'm going to switch to my winder launcher. 2-1. It's got a lot of knockout potential. I want to see it get some jumps out, though. And that's 7-1. That's great. All right. Let's get weird with it now. All right. Wizard Rod, stock combo. All right, that's 1-0. Oh, 3-0. We're not doing good against Wizard. I think we need some more jumping power. Let's put it on 160, get it even more off balance. That's more gooder. We're getting weird now. I believe that's 4-0. Well, that didn't work, now did it? Alright. You got us this round, Wizard, but we'll probably never see you again. Let's try it up against Silver Wolf. Silver Wolf's got pretty good defense, so... Oh, well, that ain't gonna do it. We've definitely got the power. Two to 0. Two to 2. I couldn't believe that it burst, and then I realized when it was free ball spinning on the stadium floor, we actually knocked its socks off there. That's exactly what we just did. All right. We got a chance against this one. super hard. All right, 3-2. It's not over yet. We still got a chance. We still got a chance. 3-4. We're coming back. That's right. We're still in this. We still got a chance. We're good. We're good. We're good. Good, good, good. we got him. Oh, that's 6-3. I guess. I guess we'll go to 7. I'm having fun. Oh, I hit it wicked hard. Six to 4. I was not super confident in that round just because we were not getting a lot of good hits. All right, now this is where I'm really curious at what we're gonna get. Cobalt Dragoon, stock combo. Two to 0. Blew that thing apart. That's cool. We're doing good. Three to 0. I don't know. It just grape stomped it there at the end. At the top of my foot. That hurt. Oh, that hit my right where the. Never mind. Come on. Ah. What was that? 3 to. I think that's 3 to 2. 3 to 1, 3 to 2, whatever. That was a huge hit. Come on, you got this. Yeah. I think that's 4 to 2. We're gonna call it 4 to 2 for easy math. That's 4 to 5. That was a very unlucky bounce too. We got it. We're not done yet. Six to 5. We are not out of the woods yet. Yeah! Ultimate test. Let's see how it does against Clock Mirage. And this is going to be on its stock combo. Clock Mirage has so much stamina, which is really going to kill this thing. Not to mention, it's super tall. So any of those big smash attacks that we'd normally land from above is going to be really hard to get to. That's 4-0 already. We are not doing well. We're going to try and get a real good bounce this time. No! That's 5-0. All right, let's try a flat launch. That didn't work. It's not looking like we can beat Clock Mirage. Oops. Well, that certainly didn't go our way. Yeah, I finally got it! That's fun. All right, guys. It is indeed hammer time. This thing did great. I might test this against some stuff off camera and see if it's worth making a meta video on, because I see a lot of jokes on Reddit about Edge. And I don't know, I think it'd be really, really funny to actually make a combo for Edge and see if we can beat some meta stuff. Because that's really fun. Hell's Hammer 160 Quake. If you guys have the parts to do it, I strongly urge you to make it, because that is a really, really fun bait. And weirdly enough, kind of good. Kind of good. It's got a lot of attack power, not a whole lot of stamina, but it uses its strength well. Will say you are kind of relying on the extreme rails. I don't recommend attempting to get a lot of extreme finishes, because that's going to put you in a bad position to KO yourself. So work on regular pocket KOs and burst finishes. If you can get really big bounces in the beginning and actually land on top of your opponent, kills stamina something wicked. There's one major issue with this combo. Hell's Hammer, a lot of recoil, and its attacks mainly focus on smash attacks. So the big, falling out of the sky attacks, not really playing to its strong suit. But if it's at an angle, a lot of power. Its main weakness is 160, not bad. Not a whole lot of places to hit it, but it does have that one really big point on it. And Quake is keeping you up in the air, so you are keeping that thing exposed a lot. But it seems to work. The only time I had it burst was when it bounced on the extreme dash rail. But yeah, guys, if you have the parts to make this combo, try it out, because it's a lot of fun. So that's going to be about it. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so you get all my videos, because I upload Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And as always, hope this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome.